Hi everyone and welcome back. So in the last video we were talking about Git branching strategies when multiple developers are working on the same feature or multiple features, then how you can collaborate efficiently by adopting these different branching strategies. Okay, so I was using this merge conflict, rebase continue and all these features. So I wanted to just talk about these things first. Like, let's say you have a doubt how we are doing merge and what is the difference between merge and rebase. Let's clear that doubt. So I just want to show you simple demo. Let's say what do we have is we have this simple branch. This is developer A is working here and that is developer B is working there. Okay, so what this developer is doing is this developer created a feature branch and the feature branch name is developer A. Okay, and he actually removed these lines and he added couple of more. Okay, he added this feature, like he will just do git status, git add, git commit -m, new changes from A, and he just pushed the changes to this feature branch. Okay, and here is developer B is working. He will also create a feature branch, git checkout -b from develop, and I'm just saying developer B, and what I will do is I will just keep only the new things. I'm just removing those things. Okay, just keeping C and D. Git push origin. Okay, I didn't add the commits and I need to remove this file. Git status, git add, git commit, and I'm just saying changes from developer B, and I will just say git push origin developer B, and we will get a conflict only if I accept the merge request from developer A and merge it. We are merging it to develop. Developer A pushed his code first and his code is going first and merged it to develop. Now this is developer B sent his merge request with the changes and I'm merging it to develop, right? And I should get a conflict. We got the conflict, right? Because in app.js we did the changes, the same file changes which A has already merged, right? This is the conflict we see. E and F we have removed. So how can we resolve these conflicts? There are two options. Either you merge the develop branch into developer B branch, resolve your conflict, add a new commit, and then push this developer B branch again. So let's talk about the merge. Merge, I think we have already done. What we were doing there is there is a conflict against develop branch, right? So what I will do is I will go to develop first, git checkout, develop, and I will think, okay, I need to get the latest changes from the remote git pull origin develop. I got the changes, and then I will go to my feature branch, git checkout -b developer B. Okay, oh sorry, what I'm doing, I don't need to create a new branch. I just check out there and then git merge. What I'm doing, develop. So I'm merging develop into this, and I need to accept some changes, current changes, and I will just add this file and then git status. Okay, git commit to conclude the merge, git commit -m, commit fix, commit merge fix. Okay, git push origin developer B, right? So I actually added a new commit on top of my changes, and you can see now we do have two commits are there, right? So that is the additional thing which I was talking about. When you do the merge, you resolve the conflicts, you additionally are adding a new commit message. Okay, now what we are going to do is, let's say again we are going to develop branch and we will talk about rebase. Git checkout develop, and here also git checkout develop branch, and we will just create a new two other feature branches. Here also take the latest develop, because I merged it and now we have only these two lines. Okay, so CDEF. Okay, first of all I need to check out the branch. Git checkout -b dev a, git status, git add, git commit, changes from dev a, and I will just git push origin. Dev a is the feature branch, I will push it. So this is the change I have done. I will copy this and I will try to create a conflict scenario. F, right? So I did the changes something like this. I will create a feature branch, git checkout -b dev b, git status, git add, git commit, changes from dev b, and then I will just do git push origin dev b, and from dev a I will merge that merge request against develop. So we are talking about rebase, how we can just play with rebase here instead of merge. So this is just a new commit, new change. I will merge it, and when we merge, raise a merge request from dev b, there will be a conflict when I will try to merge it against develop. So how can we resolve these conflicts, right? What I can do is, I was talking about rebase in earlier videos, but I was suggesting rebase when you have master branch, right? What we were doing is we were creating a feature branch, we were merging it to develop, and then let's say if there is some other developer whose feature has already been merged to master, so it is safe to take the rebase from the master because that is approved feature already running on the production. You can take that feature. So that applies to the branching strategy, but here we are talking about just only a develop branch. So what we can do is, dev b can go first to the develop branch, git checkout develop, take the latest changes, and then we do the rebase of develop branch with dev b. So here git checkout dev b, and then git rebase with develop. I already fetched the remote latest for develop, and you can see the conflicts that is expected. Accept current changes or accept your changes or accept incoming changes, whatever you wanted to prefer. Okay, so what I'm saying is, it will not enforce us to create a new commit. It will allow us to modify the existing commit. So we added, first of all what we will do is we will add this and then git rebase continue. So if there is any, this is interactive rebase, if there is any other conflict in the further commits, it will show again, and then we have to add it and then git rebase continue. I'm able to git rebase and then git push origin dev b. Now let's see. Okay, I need to force push it because on origin there is a different code, because we are updating the code which is already there on the develop, right? So we need to force push it, and now I can just see this merge request which we raised earlier. So I think we already have merge request. I didn't get it. Let me just push it again. Git push origin. We already pushed it, so I will just create a new pull request dev b, against develop. I mean, we accepted the commits from develop while doing the rebase. So obviously there is nothing to commit. This may happen when you are accepting all the changes which are coming from the rebase. There was only one file change. So obviously when you merge now dev to the develop, there is nothing to be merged, right? Because you accepted all the changes from develop branch. But let's say if you are not accepting, let's say accept current changes, accept both the changes, accept both the changes, and then I already resolved the git, then it's in a new commit now. It's not a rebase, it's totally a new commit. So you need to do git commit -m new changes, git push origin. The whole point is we didn't generate a new commit. Even if you resolve it in somehow, you won't be able to add a new commit. It will just use the existing commit. I mean, you can modify the existing commits which whatever you have. You can see you don't see a new commit. I mean, this is a brand new commit which we just created by updating the files. But while we were doing rebase, there were no new commit added. Even we accepted all the changes coming from the develop. So obviously there was no change to be merged on develop branch. So our demo is a little bit tricked here. So this is fine. You just merge it. So I mean, rebase we do to keep our history clean, and whenever you need to choose from the merge to rebase, you always do the rebase. Sometimes it's hectic that you have to do rebase continue by keep adding by resolving the conflicts. Finally, you can modify the commit message that this is the change you have done, but it will not introduce the new commit. So your commit history will be clean. And when you are doing multiple people are working on the same repository, then Git Rebase is really helpful.